Hello everyone and welcome to the second match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Mount St. Joseph Prep from Manchester up against Bamboo Primary from St. Anne. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Bamboo Primary won. They decided that Mount St. Joseph Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Mount St. Joseph Prep, we begin with Bible knowledge. What were the names of Adam's sons?
Cain, Abel, and Seth.
Cain, Abel, and Seth.
Correct. Bamboo Primary, Bible knowledge. Obed was the father of which man in the Bible?
Boaz.
Incorrect. Jesse. Mount St. Joseph, science. What form of energy is stored in a candle?
Light energy.
Judges? Incorrect. Chemical energy. Bamboo Primary, science. What form of energy does running water have?
Kinetic.
Incorrect. Mechanical energy. Mount St. Joseph, local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
J.C. Hutchinson.
Incorrect. Dr. Maurice Guy, Member of Parliament. Local affairs to you, Bamboo Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Dr. Dayton Campbell.
Dr. Dayton Campbell.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph, English language. What part of speech is Tina as used in the sentence? Tina ate lunch in the quad.
Noun.
Noun.
Correct. Bamboo, English language. What part of speech is the word browsed as used in the sentence? James browsed the web when he was bored.
Verb.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. Joe Manganello. Television to you, Bamboo Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Michael Stewart.
Incorrect. Austin Nichols. Mount St. Joseph, general knowledge. Name one of the founders of the computer company, Microsoft.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Correct. Bamboo Primary, general knowledge. Who created the social media site known as Facebook?
John Charles.
John Charles.
Incorrect. Mark Zuckerberg. Mount St. Joseph, social studies. In what year was the West Indies Federation founded?
1968.
1968.
Incorrect. 1958. Social studies for Bamboo. In what year did the West Indies Federation end?
2004.
Incorrect. 1962. Mount St. Joseph, music. Which Caribbean musician and singer was born Slinger Francisco?
Mighty Sparrow.
Mighty Sparrow.
Correct. Bamboo Primary, music. Which Caribbean musician and singer was born Alphonsus Cassell?
Taylor Swift.
Incorrect. Arrow. Mount St. Joseph, mathematics. What is the value of x if 3x minus 8 equals 40?
14.
Incorrect. 16. Mathematics. For Bamboo, what is the value of x if 4x plus 6 equals 62?
The answer is 10.
Incorrect. 14. Mount St. Joseph, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. International football player Gerard Peake. Sports, to you, Bamboo, this is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Ronaldo Thwaites.
Ronaldo Thwaites.
Incorrect. International football player Andres Iniesta. And that's the bell signifying the end of the first round. The scores currently read Mount St. Joseph on 4 and Bamboo Primary on 2. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, content and information can be easily shared and spread using cell phones. Do not send personal information over the phone or post it on social media. Also, never take inappropriate pictures of yourself or anyone else on your cell phone. Stay with us. This match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.